Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set the best settings for gaming on AOC monitor. All right, let's begin. First, open the monitor menu using the joystick under the bezel and go to Game Setting, find Overdrive, and set it to medium. This gives smooth motion without blur. Do not set it to strong because it creates glowing trails, and do not leave it off because games will look blurry. Next, keep shadow control at 50 so dark areas stay clear. Increase game color slightly from 10 to 11 or 12 for better vibrance without oversaturation. After that, turn FreeSync or Adaptive Sync ON to prevent screen tearing without adding input lag. Finally, right-click on your desktop, open Display Settings, go to Advanced Display, and set the refresh rate to 144 hertzes or 165 hertzes instead of 60 hertzes. So that's basically how you can set the best settings for gaming on AOC monitor. And that's it for this video. Thanks.